Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab. In this video I'll show you how to access and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's take a look at the app drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app, you've got access to your downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, collections, internal storage, other storage, and recents. Then you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files, clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone, and then you can go to trash. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.